Hello, word. Welcome back to another episode where we unravel the mysteries and nuances of the English language. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a word that's often associated with beauty and calmness: cream. This is a B1 level adjective, and it means a pale yellowish white color. Think of the color of fresh cream, and you've got it. So, cream, a pale yellowish white color. It's a descriptive word we use all the time, but let's explore it a little more deeply. When we talk about cream, we're not just talking about the dairy product. We're talking about a specific shade that's softer and warmer than pure white. It's a color that evokes feelings of comfort and elegance. You might describe a wall as cream-colored or a dress as cream. It's a very versatile color descriptor. Now, let's look at some synonyms for cream. One synonym is ivory. Ivory is a similar shade, often associated with the material from elephant tusks, though nowadays it's more commonly used to describe the color. For example, she wore an ivory gown to the wedding. Another synonym is off-white. Off-white is a general term for any white that isn't pure white, and cream certainly falls under that category. We could say, the walls were painted an off-white shade to brighten the room. You could also use ecru. Ecru is another pale yellowish brown color that can be similar to cream. The curtains were ecru and matched the rug perfectly. Another synonym is beige. While beige is often considered more brown than cream, some very light shades of beige can be quite similar. Think of a very light beige sofa, almost cream. The living room was decorated in shades of beige and cream. Let's consider another one, bone. Bone is also a pale yellowish white color, akin to the color of animal bones. The china was bone china and had a delicate floral pattern. Okay, now for the antonyms. What's the opposite of cream? Well, the most obvious antonym would be black. Black is the complete absence of light, the opposite of a pale yellowish white. For example, she wore a black dress, contrasting sharply with the cream-colored walls. Another antonym is dark. Dark implies a lack of light. Again, the opposite of the brightness associated with cream. The room was dark, making the cream furniture stand out even more. We could also consider bright colors like red or blue as antonyms, as they are vibrant and intense, unlike the subtle calmness of cream. He chose a red car, a stark contrast to the cream-colored building. Let's also use navy. The navy suit looked very formal, unlike the cream linen shirt. Also, charcoal. The charcoal drawing depicted a stormy landscape, the opposite of the gentle cream of the sky at dawn. How can we use cream in everyday life? Well, you might describe your coffee as having a splash of cream. Or, you could say, I'm decorating my bedroom in cream and gold. You might hear someone say, that cream dress looks lovely on you. Or, the walls are painted a lovely cream color. Here are some example sentences and phrases using cream. She wore a beautiful cream-colored shawl. The cream sofa looked inviting. He added cream to his coffee. The wedding invitation was printed on cream paper. They lived in a cream brick house. The sunset painted the sky in shades of cream and gold. The cream paint gave the room a warm glow. She smoothed cream onto her skin. The icing was a light cream color. I prefer cream to bright white. So, to recap, cream is a B1 level adjective that describes a pale yellowish white color. We explored synonyms like ivory, off-white, ecru, beige, and bone, and antonyms like black, dark, red, navy, and charcoal. We also looked at how cream is used in everyday language, from describing the color of clothes and furniture to adding it to your coffee. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word cream. If you did, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and that helps us grow. Now, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word cream and share it as a comment under the video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!